second example, prove that sine square alpha minus pi by 4 plus sine square alpha plus pi by 12 minus sine square alpha minus pi by 12 is equals to 1 by 2. So we take LHS and to prove RHS now. Okay. Now what is LHS? LHS is equals to sine square alpha minus pi by 4 plus sine square alpha plus pi by 12 minus sine square alpha minus pi by 12. So we know that first of all this radian convert into degree. So this pi by 4 is nothing but pi divided by 4 into 180 divided by pi, means pi cancel, 4 is 16 and 2 remaining means 4 5 is 20, means this pi by 4 can be written as alpha minus 45 degree. Is it clear? Plus now this pi by 12 can be written as, similarly convert into the degree, means 12 1 is 12. So what is remaining here? 6 means 60, 12 5 is 60. So what is the answer here? Pi by 12 can be written as 15 degree. Am I right? 15 minus sine square alpha minus 15 degree. Is it clear? Now next we know that one formula, sine square theta is equals to, what is that formula? Sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. You can remember this formula. This single angle convert into the double angle. So whatever here angle, that can be 2 times that angle, means alpha minus 45 into 2. So here theta, that sine square convert into cos 2 theta. Okay. Now first one, this can be written as 1 minus cos 2 times whatever angle alpha minus 45 degree divided by 2. So this is the first formula for this first sine square alpha minus 45. Is it clear? Plus similarly 1 minus cos 2 times alpha plus 15 degree divided by 2. Similarly, so this can be written as minus 1 minus cos 2 times alpha minus 15 degree divided by 2. Is it clear? So we take 1 by 2 as a common. What is remaining? 1 plus 1, this minus 1. Is it clear? This plus 1 and this minus 1 as it is. So what is remaining? Minus cos 2 alpha minus 45, means cos 2 alpha minus 45 means 90 degree. Is it clear? Plus into minus, minus cos 2 alpha plus 30 degree. Next this minus into this minus plus cos here 2 alpha minus 30 degree. Is it clear? So we multiply each angle by 2 here and here. Okay. Now this plus 1, this minus 1 as it is. This plus 1 minus 1 can cancel. What is remaining? 1 by 2, 1 minus cos. So shall I write this as a 90 minus alpha, means 2 alpha? Yes, because we take minus common, cos minus theta is equals to plus cos theta. So therefore this is a cos 90 minus 2 alpha. Is it clear? Now this can be written as plus cos 2 alpha minus 30 degree minus cos 2 alpha plus 30 degree. Okay. Now we take these two terms. Here 1 by 2 minus here cos 90 minus theta means transform occur. This can be converted into sine 90 minus theta means first quadrant all are positive. This can be written as sin 2 alpha plus we can use formula cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D is equals to 2 times sin C plus D divided by 2 into sin D minus C divided by 2. So this is a formula. You can apply this as a cos C minus cos D. What is C? 2 alpha minus 30, and what is D? 2 alpha plus 30. So we can write this as a 2 sin C plus D means 2 alpha minus 30 plus 2 alpha minus 30, plus 30 divided by 2 into sin D minus C means D means this 2 alpha plus 30 minus 2 alpha minus plus 30 divided by 2. Is it clear? We have applied this formula here. What is remaining? 1 by 2, 1 minus sin 2 alpha plus 2 times is 30 cancel, alpha 2 alpha plus 2 alpha 4 alpha divided by 2 means sin 2 alpha. Is it clear? Into this 2 alpha minus 2 alpha cancel, 30 plus 30 60 divided by 2 sin 30. So this 1 by 2, 1 minus sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha into sin 30. What is sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this 2 to cancel. What can I write this as a 1 by 2, 1 minus sin 2 alpha is 2 to cancel plus sin 2 alpha. Means what is remaining? This 2 alpha cancel. What is remaining? 1 by 2 into 1. So this is a 1 by 2 and this is a RHS. Is it clear? Sin y is equals to 1 by 4 and cos x plus cos y is equals to 1 by 3. Then show that this tan x plus y divided by 2 is equals to 3 by 4 and cot x plus y is equals to 7 by 24. So whatever given you can use that one and to prove this one. So first one we take this tan x plus y divided by 2 and we take this one and to prove 3 by 4. Okay, this is LHS. Whatever given, sin x plus sin y is equals to 1 by 4 and cos x plus cos y is equals to 1 by 3. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now dividing this equation 1 by 2, dividing equation 1 by equation 2, we get to sin x plus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y is equals to 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3. So we have used here sin x plus sin c plus sin d. What is the formula? Sin c plus sin d is equals to formula 2 times sin c plus d divided by 2 into cos c minus d divided by 2. I apply here, c means x and d means y. 2 times sin c plus d means x plus y divided by 2 into cos c minus d means x minus y divided by 2. Divides. Similarly you can use here cos c plus cos d is equals to 2 times cos c plus d divided by 2 into cos c minus d divided by 2. So substitute here c as a x and d as a y. So So 2 times cos c plus d means x plus y divided by 2 into cos x minus y divided by 2 is equals to, what is RHS? So 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3 means 3 by 4. Am I right? This 2 cancel, this cancel. What is remaining? Sin x by x plus y divided by 2 into cos x plus y divided by 2. This can be written as tan x plus y divided by 2 is equals to 3 by 4. This is the first one, hence proved. Am I right? So we take second one. What is second one? This cot second one, cot x plus y is equals to 7 by 24. So first we take tan 2 theta formula. What is that? 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, means double angle convert into single angle. So we consider this is as double angle, means single angle convert into half angle, means tan, I want to find tan x plus y. What we get? Apply this formula, 2 times tan x plus y divided by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square x plus y divided by 2. Is it clear? Now we substitute the values of this tan x plus y divided by 2. What is the value of that? 3 by 4. 2 into 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square. So what we get? This 2 into 2 to the cancel means 3 by 2 divided by 1 minus 9 by 16. Is it clear? Now this can be written as 3 by 2, 16 minus 9 by 16. So what is 16 minus 9? 16 minus 9 is the 7 by 16. So what can I write? This 3 by 2 into 16 by 7, means this 2 8s are, what is the remaining 3 into 8 divided by 7, means 24 by 7. This is the value of tan x plus y is equals to 24 by 7. But we know that the cot x plus y is equals to 1 by tan x plus y. So what is the value of tan x plus y? 1 by 24 by 7. So this can be written as 7 by 24. Okay, hence proved.